to sweat back on. Let's go. So, did you miss me? I'm back with another video. So, hello everyone. I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a great time and welcome back to my channel, guys. This is what I'm wearing today. So, are you ready to see this? Honey.
I make a scene and get upset.
I was over here minding my business, and yes, YouTube was like, you know what, I have something for you, your new subscribers and your old subscribers to see. I was like, you know what, bitch, I am ready for it. Let's go. So the title of this video is The Cheapest Family on Earth.
Oh, I definitely see why some people see our behaviors as over the top, but I don't care about being normal.
I think my parents are a little obsessed with being cheapskates.
Guys, we have seen the one in America, and I'm like, bitch, what the fuck is going on? Now on Earth, Lord have mercy. I am here for it. Lord, please help.
Oh my goodness, looks like you had a good time. You smell good. Alright, go find your daddy. If I can get something for free, I'd rather do that any time than shelling out $1. My family and I are so cheap that we all share 1 tub of water a day.
No, you're not.
Looks like you had a good time. You smell good. Alright, go find your daddy. If I can get something for free, I'd rather do that any time than shelling out $1. My family and I are so cheap that we all share 1 tub of water a day.
Wait, how is this even possible? Guys, my mom is from Africa. I was born in Africa, West Africa, honey. So when I see... I was raised by a single mom, the eldest of 4. So just knowing that this family, you know, they have the mom, the father, then the kids, then they're this cheap. I'm like, wait, what? Like, you all play too much, and they're ready to get anything for free, provided they won't spend even $1.
The most extreme thing I ever did to save on medical costs or any kind of costs like that is I removed my own teeth. If I have a cavity, I just take a little chisel and a hammer, and I sit there and chip it until I can knock it out. Every once in a while, I've been known to take it and whack it really hard. You get knocked out for a minute, you come to and you finish.
Really? Some people add...
Oh, hell no!
Okay. They feel it's smart. To me, it's not smart. It's just been... I don't know. How can they all share one bathtub?
That dirty. It just makes sense to use the same water.
Wait.
Tony Rose, and I'm a hillbilly cheapskate.
My wife is always working at trying to save money and shrink our budget.
Oh my God, when he said that the wife is always working, I thought she was working like 2 or 3 jobs. I didn't know she was always working to shrink the budget. Really? Guys, this tells me that they are willing to, if they can live without paying even a nickel, they would happily do that.
We try to keep our electric bill as low as possible by making sure the lights are not being used.
We do have electricity. See, it's on. That's it. I'm not going to waste any more. We have electricity in this house. I don't use it. I use a lantern. To save money on water and electricity, we use cold water, and the whole family takes a bath. My husband will take a bath, then I do, then Bo, then Ronnie, and it saves us a lot of money.
So hell no! You mean you... Wait. So she will have a bath, leave, the husband will use the same water in the bathtub, shower, leave, then the kids will use the same water? Are you guys... Oh, ew, no. I'm sorry. They say sometimes family love can get extreme, you know, like, oh, we love each other, we love ourselves as a family. This is where you draw the line. This is too much loving, like too much freaking loving. No.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Cold water. So you're telling me even if it's the winter, you have a shower in cold water? Guys, once upon a time, I was living with someone in Rhode Island, and there was no, they didn't pay the electricity bill, and the lights were turned off. Guys, I almost froze to death because I have to shower, so I took my shower. My body, look, imagine this skin turning red. All my body, everywhere were red from the cold, from the water. So imagine, so
sometimes I actually do want to take my own shower here and there.
Yeah.
Can't really do much because my parents like to save water.
Think about how much water a bath.
Guys, did you guys see that watercolor? Oh no, you guys played too much. I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry if I'm the child. At 12 years old, I am seeking emancipation. Point blank, period. So I can work and make my own money and get a shower for myself. I'm sorry. Like, I wouldn't even get to 16 to seek emancipation. From 12, I am seeking freaking emancipation. This is ridiculous.
What, 20, 25 gallons? 4 of us, that's 100 gallons a day. I mean, think about it. How stupid is that?
Is she serious?
Shampoo and body wash. I just pour that much in there. Oh, that's enough for a month.
For a month?
I mean, think about it. How stupid is that?
So everybody's really good about rationing.
By rationing her family's use of soap and shampoo, Melody manages to keep bottles for over 6 months. In fact,
hell no! I'm sorry. If you guys want to hug that person, fine. Me?
I gotta go home because I forgot to vacuum my room. I'll be back.
No. No. She's a voluptuous woman. How does she think that will be enough to clean her body? She's a whole lot of woman. Like, she's a woman. Oh my God. No. 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 This is not what you teach your child.
save on almost all of their household supplies.
I don't buy toilet paper. I use newspapers that we get free in town. Take that one sheet, you don't need more than that. You crumple it up, you use it, and then you put it, when you get done, into this bag. And when this bag's full, we take it out and burn it. But I'm not gonna do this one because I haven't used it. I don't want to waste it.
You sure serious?
Oh no, she didn't! Oh no, this heifer didn't! She didn't wash her damn hands!
I've had people say, here, let me buy you a roll of toilet paper. It's not that I can't buy a roll of toilet paper. I don't need to. We don't need it.
Oh, hell no! I'm sorry, guys. There are some things one can tolerate. This is one of them that I cannot tolerate. No, guys, when it comes to hygiene, I always have a perfume in my bag. I always have one perfume in the house, one in my bag. Like, when it comes to having detergents and stuff, guys, I have Tide Pod, but like toothpaste, I have 2 in the house. No, I actually have 4 in the house. Then I have 2 at the studio. Like, I have toothbrush, I have like 7. Like, guys, when it comes to hygiene, I don't play. Deodorant, I have 1 out there, 1 in the bag, and I think I have 1 already. But like, no, guys, mom always told me, when it comes to hygiene, don't play, because even if you're not doing well financially, your hygiene is the first thing that will give it away. Like, when you pass the smell, they'll be like, oh, this person is suffering. And no, I'm not gonna put like, okay, life is not good with me, put it on my forehead. No, girl.
I am super excited to see my new grandchild, but that's 5 more people than I'm used to.
Me and my mom are nothing alike. I'm like a city girl. She is a country girl.
That's 5 more people using our electricity, 5 more people using our water, 5 more mouths to feed. I don't know where they're gonna sleep. It's just a huge deal.
I'm sorry. That's why when I see people buy things that I'm like, wait, did you just buy a car of $150,000? Then your room is dirty like a piglet? Or it's like, things you spend better for should be your hygiene first before and your stomach before any other foolery. No.
I do have 2 other bedrooms, but I am not willing to use that part of my house. I'm not going to do that. We're going to have to figure out another place for her to sleep that's not going to cost us any money.
You guys are telling me this is real, that someone did this to themselves. Not because they cannot afford it, just because they are trying to be the cheapest family on earth.
We use cold water. But my daughter has to have hot water, so we're gonna have to figure a way to heat it, and I'm not gonna let us turn on the hot water heater.
Get out of here, I'm done. Salvity, there's a thing. I love you guys so much, but fuck this.
Hey, Mom, what are we eating?
Squirrel dumplings. Boys shot a couple of squirrels earlier, so squirrel dumplings. Frog legs, too. They got some frogs. Nice plump ones. Honey, they pay good money for them in them fancy French restaurants. You get it for free. Yeah.